Hello, welcome to Chart in Excel. Charts are essential tools in communicating numerical data in graphic format. Excel has a lot of chart types which include line, pie, column, stock, radar, and combo charts to mention few. But knowing the right graphing tools for message is very important in Excel if you are to produce effective reports that are readable and summarily convey all you intend to communicate. Curate charts that will clearly and succinctly convey our message requires some fundamental steps found across all type of chart in Excel. These include: you must get data into Excel sheet. 2. You must select a type of chart or graph to create. 3. You must switch axes if necessary. 4. You must adjust label and legend if desired. Reorder data if desired is the last but not the least. But I will be limiting my discussion in this video to column chart, line chart, bar chart, pie chart, and combo chart. Let's get started. Column chart is a type of chart that we normally use to compare values across category and can be in either of three forms, which is cluster, stack column, or 100% stack column. Good. Cluster column lay more emphasis on individual variance, which order of the category is not matter. For instance, let's take a look at the example I have here now. So he lay more emphasis on this category, so irrespective of the order, whether this one is greater or this one is less or no, then what it normally do is in this format. How to create this kind of chart is very simple, though I did this one, so and this one is in form of 3D. So to create that this kind of chart, so remember the key here is that whenever you want to create a chart that shows different value without categories, without even taking the order into cognitions, maybe the first, the second, or the last in that order, and so you just consider this kind of chart. So how to make this type of chart is very simple. So this is the table that produces this chart. So these are a dashboard software, that I do provide for some of my customers, and the cost I charge individual. So not really that much. So but what really matters is the concept here. Let's show you how to, or let me show you how to do that. So to do this one is just to highlight the range of cell you want to create, the chart you want to. So you can see I've highlighted that one. Then remember the step I told you. You go to insert, then you look for a chart here. See, this is chart group, where we have different type of charts. So what type of chart do you want to create here? We want to create cluster column. We are looking for column chart. So this is it here, and this how to, you click on it, pick any of these. So you pick the very first one, which is cluster column, then you click. You can see, so something of this nature, so that we've already inserted. So now what now matters is for us to adjust to look in this format. Those ones are very easy. So all you just have to do is that you come to layout here, to come and pick the appropriate layout that suits your what you change to archive, so you can see. So then you add legend if requires. So this is legend. So where did you want to put it? The legend is there. So sorry, where do you want to put it? At the top or at the bottom if necessary. So this is the amount and also so basically I think you are getting how to insert this chart. So having know how to insert it, so it's not depends on you to do it the way you have different type of chart style here that you can pick, whichever one that suits what you want. But if you are not comfortable with what we have here, which I don't really think you have issue with, some do not, so you can go ahead and start adding change the layout by yourself, then come to format and then do the needful like I did here. So more of what I did here is very simple. So I come around, pick any of your choice from this particular one. Let me go with this one. Then the shape, outline or effect, and I come around, you pick whatever you want. So possibly, I think you can see that I'm making sense. So that is what I do about and most time I normally use the layer 3 chart layout to so but let me just leave it with this one for now. So I think you get what I really want to show you now. You can see, so that is how to insert a column chart. So now so now that is that about column chart. So now we want to consider another one. Here you can see this is type of chart, but this one is 3D. Sorry. So this one is form of 3D, which is a bit different from what we actually initially. So in order to create this type of chart, let me delete this one. So you highlight, like I said, then you go to insert column and you come to 3D. I think you can see, pick that one. Then it's now left for you to now add the necessary layout or the chart style you want. So you have a lot of chart style here. Let me pick this one. So sometimes you may not be really comfortable with that, so you want to change this style or something. So you come to floor, format a plot area. So I come here, I may decide to change the color, change it to something like this, and the format the wall, come to this place as well, choose the color you want, and you see that making sense. So that is how to do about 3D. So it allows you to view your data and make it more readable and better understanding. So that is that about cluster chart. Then another one again we have is a stack column chart. This is an ideal chart to use here when you, okay, for instance, if you are trying to break down a data that are made up of a bar. So what we are intending to do here is that this amount of money that is coming from Megacom, the total sum that are coming from Romati Motorcycle and Owola Laga. So here, what I really want to do now is that in different from this one, we have only one data, but this time particular one will have 3 that are made up of a bar. So what I'm trying to do here is that I want to insert a graph, for instance, column chart, for instance, that will be able to combine the 3 for me at this time. So stacked it together. So that is exactly what happens. So that's the difference. So the very first one is for software, the gray, while the, as you can see from the legend here, that shows that for us. So to create this one too, it's very, very simple. So see the same way, all you need to do is to just highlight, then you go to insert chart, then you go to column chart. Here you come to stack this time around, so you don't go to this, because if it is bar, this one will position the three side by side. I think you can see. So that's the essence of cluster. So but now we are looking for stack. We want to stack it like plates arranged. So that's why we're going to pick this one. So you can see. So you can apply all the necessary formats to make sure your details. So like you see, I have a dynamic heading here. That one is very simple too. All you just need to do is just click this chart type, go to this place, type is equals to, then pick this cell, press enter. So it gives you that. So that is that about stack. So the difference between stack and column, I think you can see now. Cluster will place each bar by the side. Instead of having single bar like this that stack together, cluster will place three there. So you can earlier from what I earlier shown you here. So that is the difference. So but this kind of chart sometimes we do use it too. So no point about, so for comparison, that is what really matters. So but in this particular one we are trying to start it. So and the last one here is that we can stack 100%. So individual here, it shows the breakdown of data that made up the bar in percentage, unlike this one that make up the bar in values. So but this particular one will calculate the percentage of it that makes up this thing, and you always see this in this format. So the same way to do that as well, go to insert and come to this place, then you can see. So when you look at this, contribution of software in Megacom, to the amount generated is around 11%. So, and when you look at the what are they calling it here, the training charge is around 39%. So while the remaining figure make up the last this thing. So I think you can see the difference between the three charts now. So the column chart, remember the cluster we just display, the individual irrespective of the category, category comparison of the category irrespective of the order. So this one too, but it will start in the same order, so together in a bar. So why this one will bring out the percentage, work out the percentage of individual value that makes up the. So that is how we do about column chart. So you can actually add every other things here like I did in the very first one. So you can walk around here, see the design, pick any chart style, add elements from here. You want to add this, you want to add all sort of data label, you want to see it, you can see. So all those things, the region where you want to position it, you don't want it, and so many, the line, and so many. So it's very simple and very easy to do. So now it depends on you on how you want it. So like that detail label now can be of good value here. Sometimes here you can just add it in the cluster chart. Maybe I want it, so you can see. So that is how to add all those and that is that about column chart. So the next in the line is a line chart. This type of chart is very handy when it comes to displaying trend of one or more major over the period of time. So you can see this particular data set is showing the trends of my training penetration growth within between January to July. So we are making gradual process. So if I can have this one at the end of the day, so I think I hope be smiling to back. So the essence of this one is that it shows the trend. So it shows trend. So basically, so it doesn't like compare category this time around. So you can't use the bar chart to this one. So because it's moving, you can just see how. Now the same way to do this, all you just need to do is to insert line this time around. You can see, pick line. So you now do the necessary formatting on it. So but here what I really want to show you here is very key, because sometimes this communicates error. So but it's advisable sometimes you put the mark so that people can spot the exact value for that particular time. And to do that, you can right click format data as is. So then you come to select series option, effect, you see line here and mark. So you select on mark. So here the color you want it, maybe for instance let me put a color there that will show, so that for the essence of this training. But you have to work very well with your color code and how your color matches and so many things. So that is how to excuse me. Yeah. See, so you can see what type of mark did I want. Let me put this kind of. So for the essence of this training, that's why I put that array, so that you'll be able to spot the actual that. So it's very simple and easy to to do. So the next in the line is bar chart. Remember I told you when to use a line chart is when you are working about trends. So while column is all about category. So but when it comes to bar chart, so this one is very similar to column chart. The issue is that it takes order into cognizance this time around. So it's very, very important. So when you have I have a table for those football followers. I think Nigerian Global Premier League table. So week 17, last season. I think their current season is season 2. That is 2016, 2015, 2016 season. So at the end of the 17 weeks, so I think Sunshine was the one leading the table. So in order to put this kind of because we have to put order in cognizance. So and most time when you have a more value you want to, so you can use. It's not advisable to use column chart for this kind of chart, because it will be too much. And remember, the essence of picking the right tool or the right graphing tool is for it to be clear, readable, and every and understanding. But it's here we're having like 20 these things. So when you're having 5, 10, so the highest to me I suggest for you in column chart should be around 7 or so. So when you're having 10, 15, and so you consider bar chart. So the same way we go by this, highlight it, insert, then you come to bar chart. Let me pick 2D. So good. So one thing here that we have there is that it's showing. Now you can see it's showing all the in the reverse order. So what I would have loved to do now is be format this as series. So we're trying to come to this file and fill and line, then you move down. Sorry. What I'm trying to do in Essence is very simple. So let me quickly explain. So leaving this kind of thing. So the very first word now is FC Taraba, which is at the top of the. So what we are going to do now is that let me format ASCII. Sorry. So you go to ASCII, you format ASCII, then you come back here to category, you reverse it so that it will look more nice. I think you can see now. So then you can decide to do every other formatting. So what I want to show you here is this category in reverse order. So you can see now. So this is how everything, so that is that about bar chart. So the next line in action of the next one should be pie chart. So pie chart is the right chart to emphasize the contribution of each category to the pie that represents grand total. So here this Nikon staff across a number of staff across this team. So but why doing pie chart here? That's why I basically bring it out. It works out the percentage or kind of, so making it to be 360 degrees as we all know. So you remember you add total 15 over total multiplied by 360 degrees. So that's how it calculates it on. So to do it same way, you go to insert, then you come to pick chart. So that is how to do that one. Very simple and so straightforward as well. So you can now walk around, pick the necessary element, then do the necessary formatting as you choose it. So as you choose, sorry. So the last one that I will be talking about that I have this thing is combo chart. You can see now, good. See, this kind of chart is showing the category, which is column chart, and then it's showing the line chart, which is trend. To do this kind of chart in, let's say, 2010, 2007 was a bit tricky, but with the advent of, let's say, 2013 that I'm using and beyond, it now makes it easy. All you need to do is to just highlight. You go to insert, you come to recommendation chart, sorry. So you can see all chart is here, recommended chart. You can see all charts. You can even come here and pick combo chart. So you can see all chart, then you come to combo chart. Here you now select your, so what I want, say here. So the amount says to be on cluster, while the growth will be. So you can decide to be changing them here. I want this to trend, the growth to trend. So and I want the amount so to be in this form. So is there anything I'm moving to secondary axis? Really? So I think I should move this one to secondary axis. Are you seeing it? So take note of this preview here, then I click OK. Wow. So you can see this is combo chart. You know, this particular one is working with what I have here, while my trend is working with what I have here. So sorry, I'm making the mistake here. I've made a mistake, so let me correct that one. Control Z. So what I'm trying to do here, insert, you have to recommend all chart, combo. So this particular one, so all I need, I don't even need the year to be, so I only need this one and this one. So that is that about that one. So So that is combo charts. So it's very simple and that much straightforward. You can as well, the good thing here is that you can just pick recommended charts too. So there's a lot of charts here that already you see there. So there's no point wasting much of your time. Just pick any of the recommended charts, then you go. So then you can decide to change all these equals to what I have here. Press enter. So that is that about charting in Excel. So we still have more other charts. I encourage you to pick any of my books, so to get more idea about how you can walk around and get the tricks behind all these productivity tools. I'm Mohamed Musa Mayomi by name, so I'm an author. I author Pivotable Recipe and Productivity Boosting aspect of Microsoft Excel. So you can pick any of the book. It's live on Amazon. So for you to get your copy and get more of Excel tip and tricks. That's all that in this video. Thanks for watching.